Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change Dodge Challenger headlights. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, appropriate sockets, and a trim removal tool. Make sure you have the correct replacement headlight assembly for your specific Challenger model. Park your vehicle on a level surface and turn off the engine to ensure safety before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth process. Next, you'll need to carefully remove the front bumper cover. This involves locating and removing several fasteners, often found in the wheel wells and along the top edge. Once all fasteners are out, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Remember to disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for fog lights, before fully detaching the bumper. Take your time to avoid damage. With the bumper removed, you now have clear access to the headlight assembly. You'll see a few bolts holding the unit in place. Typically, there are 3 or 4. Use your ratchet and socket to remove these. Before pulling the headlight out, unplug the main electrical connector from the back of the unit. Then, carefully slide the old headlight assembly out of its position. Now it's time to install your new headlight. First, connect the electrical plug to the back of the new assembly. Carefully slide the new headlight unit into its designated slot, ensuring it sits flush. Reinstall the bolts to secure it firmly. Finally, reattach the front bumper cover, reconnecting any electrical components, and replace all fasteners. Test your new headlights to confirm proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.